Today we're at Food City and we're trying Brian tried the barbecue plate the other day and now I'm going to try it, and he also got the ribs for today and we're just going to give it a try.
Okay, go ahead.
Didn't have my fork ready.
Yeah, it's fine. So you get, for $5.99, you get a meat, 2 sides, and a roll and your drink. So it's a pretty good deal. I did my review on Facebook the other day, so y'all may or may not have seen that. What do you think, Dan, of the pulled pork?
Good.
Okay, what else you got there?
We got corn and then apple and donuts. Never tried it.
Okay, try that and let's see what.
It looks like it'd be good.
Okay. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna try my ribs. Swapping off. Yeah, it looks like the other day when I tried these, I got like 3. Today they gave me, well, 4 bones. Even though that doesn't have anything on it. Pulling off pretty clean. I mean, there's definitely some shred on there, but that's typical. Okay. Very good. Tender, smoky, really good. Yeah, the sauce is just right. Very good. I also got corn and pinto beans, soup beans, whatever you call them, in a corn muffin. Soup beans are good. I mean, it's soup beans. Corn is very good too. So anyway, again, for $5.99, get your meat, 2 sides, bread, and a drink. That's a good deal.
Yeah.
Especially with everything expensive as it is now. So, anyway, what do you think, Dan?
It's good. I'd definitely get it again.
Okay.
Worth it.
Yeah, all right. See y'all later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, we decided to try something new today. Eating at Food City Deli, which we really do like. The one on Northeastman Road, but they went through all their changes, redesigned the store, like a year ago or something. But we noticed, this is the first time we tried to eat upstairs in their, I guess, mezzanine or whatever it is. I call it the Jack's Cafe. A little fireplace that's not running today, the TV. You can really get a good look from up here of everything else going downstairs. And there's the deli. There's all that going, the salad bar.
You can see the whole store from up there.
Yeah. And the bakery, whatever, all that, and the popcorn. It's the whole store. Beautiful experience up here. A little bit quieter eating downstairs.
There's the registers.
Yeah. It's a whole lot different from up here, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot different.
It's really cool, actually.
Yeah, a lot quieter.
Yeah, much better.
Here is the platter.
What's that?
$5.99.
Boy. We have 7 weeks left.
This is the downstairs view.
The smoke pit in the deli. Where they finally got the smoker here, like they've got some of the other ones.
Can you pick a few?
Yeah. So they got wings and, well, let's see. What this is, leg quarters, 2-pack, and then more leg quarters. But the barbecue is very good.
Yes. There's the deli. You got fresh sushi that's made every single day, raw and cooked. I did. And downstairs deli. And there's the sign that says we can go upstairs and eat. Okay, hello, we just got through trying the Food City barbecue platter. Brian tried it the other day and I finally got to try it. And I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, I got the ribs today. Had the pulled pork the other day in the video.
I got different sides this time. I got the pinto beans and the corn. It was really, really good. Really liked it. The corn muffin, it was good. What do you think of the roll they got you though, Deanne?
It's okay. If I could have left it off, I would have just left it
Yeah,
off.
just don't eat the roll. It's not that good. The rest of it's good though.
Yeah. This is the Food City. It's on Northeastern Road.
Northeastern Road in Kingsport.
I can see it back
yeah.
there behind us.
Yeah, near Ming Garden and everything else.
Yeah.
So, okay. So until next time, see y'all.
See ya.